Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss supplier payments or vendor payments in multiple currencies. As a company, we usually have a base currency. However, if you are purchasing from another country or making import purchases, you may need to make payments in a different currency. To set this up, go to the accounting module. First, we need to check whether multi-currency is enabled or not. Go to Configuration, then search for multi-currency, or simply search for currencies. Here you can see the main currency, for example, USD. You will also find options for automatic currency rates. From the currency list, you can enable multiple currencies. Now, suppose your supplier or vendor operates in euros. In that case, you can go to the vendor profile and, under the Sales and Purchase tab, set the supplier currency as euro or any required currency. Additionally, when you go to Vendor Payments and click on New, the default currency will be your company currency, such as US dollars. If you want to make a payment in euros, you can simply change the currency to euro and enter the amount accordingly. After that, select the bank and confirm the payment. This is how you can process vendor payments in different currencies. For managing exchange rates, go to Currencies in Configuration, open the required currency, for example, euro, and set the rate. You can define it either as unit per USD or USD per unit, depending on your preference. This is manual setup. Alternatively, you can enable automatic currency exchange rates. In that case, you can select the service provider or exchange source, set the update interval, manual or daily, and define the next run. The system will then automatically fetch and update the exchange rates. Otherwise, you can continue using manual rates. That's how you handle vendor payments in multiple currencies. Thank you.